Say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Should I get money and I get
Hi, guys.
look odd. I'm going home. I wish I could say I'm finally on holiday, but I'm not. I have 2 more in-course work to do. For the first one, I didn't know about that. It's due Monday. Then I wanna go in one group. Them just send one say want my teacher open one quiz. We're closed tomorrow. I never know about that. So I wish I could have someone up on holiday. I'm not on holiday. We're going to get our hair done. What am I gonna do my hair? Cause I'm not paying nobody for doing. And I realized that I don't want nobody do my hair because I have very tender scalp, right? And like when I do it, it does make me look like I'm afraid I'm hair and nasty. I'm not. It's just that they can maneuver me here the way me can maneuver me here, and me just don't want that. And plus, bitch, my bro. We're going to paint our nails because these need to go. We're going to buy my Christmas wish. Something from my Christmas wish list. Kimon is going to buy me for my Christmas. And it probably said why me go with him to buy something. It should be like a surprise. He doesn't really know downtown, so me go with him. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. Hi guys, so we're back on campus. That's
I'm finding it.
Andy man. You see, he has everything. We love a good Andy man. Now we're going to go downtown. At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body. Hi guys, you can't see me, but I've been reach home for like a good while now. Not reach home, but reach St. Thomas. You can't see me. Oh, that's better. But I've been reach St. Thomas for like a good while now. But I'm finally going home. I'm going to give you guys a little all of all the things that I bought while downtown chat. They want to record as much as possible downtown. But downtown is the place to record. Especially in the season that we're in, Christmas. It's not the place, okay? You have to keep your eyes sharp, your senses them have to up, because man will not them not go, but man will rob you, okay? And so you have to like be very alert. One thing that I got though, let me show it to you guys. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Let me show it to you guys. One thing that I bought, well, I got. So this is one of my Christmas gifts that I got from Kimani. It's a bag that I wanted. I'm gonna go down to and see it and someone watch it and it's okay, cool. And plus it's on my Christmas wish list as well. So it's a cute, pink, pretty bag. I also bought nail polish for changing hair. And you guys are going to see the colors soon. And I bought braiding hair for my ear. Cause I'm gonna do my ear. But I think if I do extra large jumbo knotless, but I feel like I'm gonna change my mind and do something we can probably like last like the first 2 weeks of January or so. So yeah, that's basically everything that I bought downtown. The bag, cute, see, the nail polish and the braiding hair and some little snacks, but that doesn't count. But yeah, but they want to try KFC, but we're not gonna get to try KFC tonight, so probably tomorrow. I'm gonna go home now, go finish doing my work, and I'll probably wash my hair tonight and blow dry it tonight. I'm not sure. I'm gonna probably wait until tomorrow and wash my hair and blow dry it. But the work I done tonight. When I sleep, I ain't done. So yeah, I don't know if this is the end of it for tonight. Until tomorrow, I'll see me again. I'm not sure, but if it is, subscribe. Subscribe. Hi, chat. It's the other day, many hours later. I'm yet to comb my hair. I did my nails though. I don't like them. I don't know why. And plus my nail bed is hurting. I don't know why. But yeah. I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time. Oh, you should know that your love. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. 1 o'clock in the morning. Let me go run mad chat. Literal 4:30. 4:30 in the morning. And this is the time I finish. I'm going to give you guys like a full 360 tomorrow when I got in bed and wake up. So yeah. And by the way, one of my nail came off. It was supposed to be by top coat as well, so it was supposed to last. It's not lasting. I prefer the red, but I feel like the red is damaging my nail bed because it might hurt me. But anyways, this is it. That video. Hi chat. So me I go home now. I'm at Kingston to go come back. But I'm here with my sisters. Say hi. Say hi YouTube. Say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Okay. Should I get money and I get none? And then I have a bigger soda. You look, you get the patty now. It's a thank God. Guys, in a juicy patty so full. They want to eat in there, but in the so full. Even if we wait for somebody in there, when the person come, I will tell them somebody run there. So, because until we walk, I can't walk in a juicy. Even more be full. I can only imagine what man is nice. Boy, patty hot. I want to try patty, so I'm hungry. Feel this. But yeah, we're at the old courthouse. So it's about a power go did 5 for. And we're eat. I live in Jaja.
I'm there, Uno.
Chat, this shit was not good at all. I don't know, like it never
tastes good.
It like just it never tastes good, isn't it? It just never tastes good. You see, you have to take it out to like actually feel the taste of the patty. Stop eating, you know you don't eat so. You don't eat so eat the patty properly. Hi guys. Hi guys, I'm home. But we need to leave like no, so my phone on charge, I'm put it on the charger while I get ready to leave. Like I need to leave. No. Before I leave, I want to show you guys this. It's one of the things I'm a Christmas wishes. Good morning. Hi guys. This vlog is all over the place. I was going to give you guys a 360 of my hair, and I wanted to do that before I actually end out the vlog. I'm back in St. Thomas, by the way. This is a friend. It's very fat, and I love flat braid. This is the back. So she only parted, and then middle the rest. My angle the rest. My angle good too. School starts the 18th, so I'm trying basically keeping them here until then 20. And they're so cute and they're so light, like them so freaking light, and that's what I love. I love when time braids, very light. And when I minutes say so I'm kind of sick, you know, way. So like a lot of things trigger my body. So like now I'm have to take off the nail polish, them off on the nail, because like man, I don't know what up here so, but them burn me and like them so thin. So I feel just like acting like this. Like yesterday, I tried to pull on something, I couldn't pull it down. My finger them just somebody like cooperate with me. Comment the scissors emoji. Yeah, comment the scissors emoji if you have made it this far. Okay? And see you guys in my next video. My next video, it probably be like a little day in my life where I actually have things I do like up on the road.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you?